Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to share something a little different today, something that honestly blew me away. You know how I'm always testing out new tools, trying to find the real game changers? Well, I came across something called Fortress AI, and after digging into it, I knew I had to share it with you. Fortress AI is an app that lets you launch your own AI-powered cybersecurity agency, even if you have zero tech background. No coding, no sales skills, and no prior experience needed. It automates the entire process, finding vulnerable websites, scanning them for threats, generating professional security reports, and even closing clients at $497 per month. And here's the kicker: you don't lift a finger. The app does all the work for you. Now, I know this sounds too good to be true. I was skeptical at first, too. But they ran a real test with someone named Oliver, complete beginner, hated computers, zero online success, and within 48 hours, he had his first paying clients using nothing but Fortress AI. That's when it clicked for me. In today's world, cyber attacks are happening daily, and small businesses are desperate for affordable protection. Fortress AI steps in as a done-for-you solution that fills a very real and growing need. All you do is sign up, pick a name for your agency, and the software handles everything from there. It's genuinely one of the easiest ways I've seen to get into a high-demand industry without spending months learning skills or chasing leads. If you're tired of gimmicks and ready to try something built on real-world demand, this is it. If you want to learn more about Fortress AI, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.